A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I made an orb for my garden. This orb right here has been in my garden for I think 3 years. I made it out of cement. I have like a mold that makes the orb itself, and if I can link that to you, I'll put it on the description. But it's been sitting in my yard for a long time because I just didn't know what to do with it. If I was gonna make the orb and just let it be like a cement orb, but it didn't really look good. So I said, no, just make it a planter. So for the longest time, this was cut in half, which is just now where I put that cement in between and made it like an actual round orb. But it's been sitting in my yard as a planter because I didn't really know what else to do with it. But today I figured out when I was at the dollar store that I was going to do something with it, and also be one of the garden focal point so that there's a little bit more color in the garden. So this is what I did, and I will show you how I did it. Hold on a second. So here's a sphere that I made a long time ago. This is the medium size one that I'm just now coming back to because we had made a planter out of it, half of it, but now I want to make an actual sphere for it. And I went to the dollar store and I got like these glass beads that I'm going to slap on there and make it a feature in my front yard. One of the features. So I also got some dollar store plates that I'm gonna break up and make the stepping stones with. So the idea is to make the same things that I did here, where I made put marbles on there. But see, the marbles are coming off because I didn't expect that without the mortar that it's not gonna stay in there, and it didn't. So that's fine. You live and learn, right? So that's what I'm working on today, and I have my grout, adhesive grout right here, and I'm going to apply it onto the sphere and then lay my those glass beads on top of this. But see, there's already like moss growing into this insides of it. Hopefully it doesn't affect anything. Hopefully. So first I laid the grout, and this is the adhesive and grout as well, so it's double purpose, and laid it out, spread it on thick just like butter with my plastic palette knife, which is really flexible, and it's so helpful to do it this way because of the shape of this substrate. And then I laid the glass beads very randomly in different colors and made sure that the same colors don't touch, but sometimes you can't help it because that's all you have. And I think I used about 7 or 8 bags of those dollars, so $8 for the whole orb. And it's just so therapeutic, and you just sit there and listen to your favorite song or whatever, subliminal recording videos or whatever to watch on YouTube, or you can watch Soul Sugar Succulent while you're doing it. But it is very therapeutic. It's so much fun to make. Ta-da! So I'm so done. And I actually did not do all the way down under because I know if I did that, then it'll not be steady. So right now it's pretty steady because of the bumps, and it's very slick. So nice. So I did, and I used up 9 of these packages. Actually ran out. My husband had to go back to the dollar store and got me 6 more. But so nice, and it's just random. I didn't even have any pattern. I think the best way, that's the best way to do this, is without a pattern, because then it's very raw and organic, and without, I know my daughter would probably be like cringing right now because she's more of the, you know, total alignment and organized colors and stuff like that, but she also doesn't like color. So but I like color and I love it. It looks so good. Now I'm wondering how I'm going to prop this up in the garden. I either use this and just spray paint that, or should I use one of these things? I don't know if it's steady enough though. But I suppose if I kind of put some, I don't know, reinforcements down there, I'm not sure. Or this one. We'll see. I have to figure it out, and then I will show you when I'm done. So this is the final resting place, and it looks so good from the outside and even from the inside because it just catches your eye, just the color of it. And also I put a planter with rocks underneath, because right now the bottom part is not steady enough. What I'm thinking about doing is putting or laying a little bit of concrete underneath there, so it's there permanently and not wobbling around like it is now, without the rock sitting on top of the bottom part of it. But it's, for now, there's so many things that I have to do, and that's like lowest on the priority list. But it looks really good right now, and it's giving me lots of inspiration, and I'm so happy with it. Thanks, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration. And I'm hoping to get a link for you if you guys want to do this. It's a lot of work. I mean, yeah, but the rewards are just spectacular, and it just adds a little bit to your succulent garden, or any kind of garden for that matter. Again for dropping by, and I hope that you come back and subscribe and press the like button to help a sister out. Watch the ads, and give me a lot of likes, and make sure that you share with your friends and share with your family. because that's what we all do. We share because we care. XOXO. Love you guys. Bye.